Demonstrative adjectives and demonstrative pronouns both use the words this, that, these, and those, but they serve different functions in a sentence. Here's a clear explanation of the differences, accompanied by examples, representations, common mistakes, helpful tips, and an exercise. Demonstrative adjectives. Function. Demonstrative adjectives modify nouns by indicating which ones you are referring to. They are always followed by a noun. This, singular, refers to something close to the speaker. Example: this book is interesting. That, singular, refers to something farther from the speaker. Example: that car is expensive. These, plural, refers to multiple things close to the speaker. Example: these apples are fresh. Those, plural, refers to multiple things farther from the speaker. Example: those mountains are beautiful. Demonstrative pronouns. Function. Demonstrative pronouns replace nouns. They stand alone and do not modify another noun. This, singular, refers to something close to the speaker. Example: this is my favorite. That, singular, refers to something farther from the speaker. Example: that is yours. These, plural, refers to multiple things close to the speaker. Example: these are delicious. Those, plural, refers to multiple things farther from the speaker. Example: those are amazing. Quick review. Demonstrative adjectives. This, near, singular, this cat. That, far, singular, that cat. These, near, plural, these cats. Those, far, plural, those cats. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Common mistakes. Using demonstrative adjectives without a noun. Incorrect. This is beautiful dress. Correct. This dress is beautiful. Using demonstrative pronouns incorrectly as adjectives. Incorrect. That car is expensive. That is expensive car. Correct. That car is expensive. That is an expensive car. Mismatch between the demonstrative and the noun and number. Incorrect. These apples are fresh. Correct. These apples are fresh. Helpful tips. Check for a noun. If this, that, these, or those is followed by a noun, it is a demonstrative adjective. Standalone usage. If this, that, these, or those stands alone and replaces a noun, it is a demonstrative pronoun. Proximity and number. Ensure you match the demonstrative word to the number, singular, plural, and proximity, near, far, of the noun. Exercise. Identify whether the demonstrative word is used as a demonstrative adjective or a demonstrative pronoun. 1. These apples are delicious. A. Demonstrative adjective, demonstrative pronoun. 2. That book is mine. 3. This is a wonderful place. 4. Those flowers are beautiful. 5. These are my friends. You can pause the video and then check the answers. Let's check the answers. 1. A. Demonstrative adjective. These apples are delicious. 2. A. Demonstrative adjective. That book is mine. 3. B. Demonstrative pronoun. This is a wonderful place. 4. A. Demonstrative adjective. Those flowers are beautiful. 5. B. Demonstrative pronoun. These are my friends. By distinguishing between demonstrative adjectives and pronouns and practicing their correct usage, you can improve the clarity and precision of your communication. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more grammar tutorials and language learning tips. If you found this video helpful, share it with your friends and let us know in the comments what topics you'd like us to cover next. Thanks for watching and happy learning!